You may have to factory reset an iPhone if it's no longer working properly, or has some unknown issues with its firmware. It will bring the device back to its factory default settings so that you can set it up as a new device again. The downside of the reset is that you may lose some of your files or data that are stored locally. That's why we always suggest that before you actually reset your device, you should first take some time backing up important files you don't want to lose. To begin, tap Settings from the home screen. You may have to scroll down a little bit to find General. Once found, tap on it. Scroll all the way down, and then tap Reset. As you can see, there are other types of reset, but what we need is the factory reset. So, tap Erase all content and settings. A dialog box will pop up, just tap Erase now. At this point, you may be prompted to enter your passcode to verify your identity. A dialog box will pop up at the bottom, just tap Erase iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now, before the reset, Apple needs to verify your identity again, so enter your Apple ID password. When ready, tap Erase and your iPhone will begin with the reset. The device will reboot when the reset is finished. Once it boots up, you will be prompted to set up your iPhone again. And there you have it. That's how you reset your iPhone. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.